Eva Trades.
Welcome to the Risk Management Trade Simulation series. This is a simulator challenge today for the purpose of practicing a strategy. I've pulled some tickers off of the Trade Ideas scanner for the day of January 3rd, 2023. So let's go take a look at those and then we'll do a little bit of trading. Here we go. And we have CMMB as the leading gapper, RSLS, AUPH, and over here I have ATNF and JSPR, and I may have lied. Actually, the leading gapper was HZN, but it didn't look good at all, so we're not even going to look at that. All right, leading gapper, in my mind, CMMB, 15-minute time frame. We're looking for a higher low. Coming down to that level there, breaking below it a little bit. We do have a trough play down here. Let's go take, I call that a trough play when you got kind of this trough down here. So there's an area of interest there if you look at the 5-minute time frame now. And sure enough, we have ourselves, if you want to call that a pivot, you can. You had a high, low, lower, high, higher, low, bull break. So if we come down and test that level, I would not be surprised. 477 is already broken, so I'll get rid of that. Our resistance is up here at 540. We had a rejection here at 530 and 5-minute downtrend, and we are due for a bounce on that 5-minute time frame. 1-minute downtrend as well. And if we lose 458, we do have support down at 426 and 416. RSLS. Oh, let's actually, this is a simulator. So you notice up here the clock is not moving because I have to push play. Let's get that clock moving. Okay, 5 minutes to go till the market opens now. And on the 5-minute time frame on RSLS, we had a high, low, lower, high. Well, a little equilibrium here. Bull break, nice bull break, follow through. Rejection off of 11. So we're looking for a higher low on this 5-minute time frame. I'd say anything above 855 is a higher low. 1-minute uptrend was intact. We have lost it with a lower low. Coming down to the volume weighted average price there. So yeah, our resistance is at 1094. We have another good one here. At 1050 where we got rejected. We broke by a couple of pennies there and rejected off of 1050. So there is that. Next up, AUPH. Not a whole lot of price action on this one. It's only been jumping up for the last 15 minutes or half hour. We do have a 1-minute uptrend, higher low right here. We broke out for a higher high, no follow through. Couldn't close above that level. So that's what I call no follow through. But we are pulling back as long as we have higher lows. The bulls are in full control and we have nothing to worry about. Note the higher red volume that we have on some of these pullbacks. That is something to be cautious of. We have the same thing over here on RSLS. Sometimes that can be a sign of a bearish sentiment. Sometimes. Resistance at 605, so we have 515. Okay, we got our list of levels there to watch. It's a 5-minute inside bar. And over here to ATNF. ATNF is, well, it's interesting on the hourly time frame. Let's look at that. So you can see we had our higher low that we were looking for on the hourly time frame, but we couldn't get our higher high. That was the high up there at 398. We tried here, we failed, went sideways, came back up and tried again. We're trying again right now. 15-minute time frame is an uptrend. We have higher lows on the 15, so that's good. Bulls in control there. But being cautious a little bit here. We want to break over 4. Let's look at the smaller time frame now, 5-minute. Okay, boom, 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 boom. There's another one of those trough plays. So we have some levels here to watch. 374. Kind of back tested that one already, but 1-minute equilibrium. And if we lose 374, we'll be looking down there at 361. We do have a support down here as well at 350. Inside bars on the 5 minute, which is why we have the equilibrium on the 1. JSPR, what time is it? 2 minutes to go till the market opens. So JSPR, we have a higher low down here at 95 cents. This one's a little cheaper, so I don't typically trade the cheaper ones. At least I don't trade them very well, I should say. The equilibrium here broke out over $1.36, so that's a level to be watching. Also a level right there at $1.33. We have support at 125. Resistance is up at $1.54 on the daily level. Let's see what we have on that. I always forget on this screen where my daily levels are at. Let's get rid of SPY. Where were we trading at? All the way up there. Okay, so what are we looking like here? Grab my daily line tool, $1.73, $1.75. So we got a few potential areas there, and then up here we have something. And so that's $2. There's $2.19, $2.50-ish. Okay, those are our levels. So we got some congestion we're coming up to here around that area right there. An eye on that. 30 seconds to go. I did it. Got through it all before the bell rang. Okay. So my daily goal is $100, risking $50 per trade. And I can't trade in the first 1 minute on the simulator because the on-demand feature doesn't allow that. And 10 seconds. So what I'll do is just watch the candle ranges on the 1 minute and set up my stop losses to match. I think we're halted on JSPR over here. So we're coming up against 493 there. I'm going to go ahead, jump in that a couple of times on those. That would have actually been the better spot to get in right there. Okay, I'm selling all of that over there. That was a nice win. And I don't know here. Okay, so cancel RSLS, my limit orders that I had there. On the on-demand feature, it doesn't let me, it doesn't get rid of the stop loss orders when I sell. I have to do it manually. I'm exiting most of, I'm going to exit all of my positions here on CMMB. There we go. Got out before the drop. I do like what I'm seeing on AUPH here, so I'm in that. I'm long CMMB off of that support. Whoa. That was crazy. I'm back out of CMMB. I am long over here on ATNF. And sell half, hold the other half, and we'll see what we get. Yeah, I'm not getting the move I wanted over here on AUPH. Or yeah, I might hold it and we'll see what we get. As long as we can hold the low of day. I'm also in a position on RSLS here. But I think I'm going to go ahead and sell it there. I'm all out. Technically, I could be done for the day. ATNF over here. I'm lost track of my price action. I'm just going to go ahead and sell that. I can't tell. The candle is freezing up. So back over here. Nice move on RSLS. Really nice. Coming up to $11. There's a nice move. I'm going to sell right there. Beautiful. Man, look at this amazing price action. This is insane. I'm going to sell half of AUPH just to lock up a little bit of profit, and then we'll see if we get a break above 6 for the rest of that. And oh, halted on RSLS again. I need to cancel those orders. I'm not in a trade on that. The only one I'm in right now is AUPH. Look at this. CMMB. I don't know if I trust that or not. It's awfully whippy. I could try it. Watching AUPH for the breakthrough 6. Yeah, I'm going to get back out. Cancel my limit order there. So I made some money on AUPH. Well, I'm not patient enough to hold for the break. Oh, and there it is, of course. I'm buying a dip there. See if it dips back a little bit more. There's a bigger dip. Selling half. The one thing about AUPH is it's a little slow to go, so I'm going to sell the rest there. So that was nice. And CMMB feels like one of those that there's just a lot of selling pressure on it, but you could get a short squeeze. We're holding, see if we can get a move up to 5. I guess RSLS got halted. Coming up to 5. A lot of rejection candles on this, but let's see if we can get over 5. Right now it's a tightening range. Yeah, I don't think it's going to do it. So I'm back out of it. It just doesn't feel like something that's going to give me a good move. So I'm long over here, buying off the volume weighted average price. We still have a candle freezing up on me there. It's a little difficult to tell what's happening. I can look at the price ladder down here. That's kind of what I'm watching. The volume weighted average price is right at 410. I'm in at 419. I'll just sell it there, make 15 bucks. It's just difficult because that candle, you just can't see what's happening. So it's hard to see what the patterns might be. The downside of the on-demand feature. Well, I'm up over $500. I could technically stop. RSLS got halted at 634, so resumption will be at 639. That candle range is 82 cents. So I'll come down here and I'll select 80 cents roughly. And it's going to enter my share. Oops. Actually, highlight the buy button so we can get this back. Now, 80 cents. Now I'll click go. It's going to put in my share size. And it's going to enter 80 cents, which is already there. Okay. There we go. So now I'm ready to enter RSLS if I decide to. CMMB, trying to make another move here. I'm going to give it another shot. So RSLS was halted at $11.22. I wouldn't be surprised to see it open at a, 11.50. There's, oh, it opened at 12. Let's see if it pulls back. Okay, there we go. I'm in it. I'm long there. Selling half. I'm going to sell the rest there. So that was nice. Another $100 on that. So you see when we resumed at $12, I waited for it to pull back down to, because I know we have an area here of interest that people would probably enter the trade. And so that's why I waited for it to pull back to there. Now the risk of that is if it pulls back like that and drops too quick and too hard, it could get halted going down. And I do have an equilibrium forming over here, but I still can't tell what's happening exactly because the candles are freezing up on me. So I don't know what to do about that. Look at the resumption on JSPR just now. It resumed for just a couple of seconds and got halted again. So I had no chance of getting in that one. Oh, I guess I can cancel these limit orders. There we go. So the only trade I'm in right now is CMMB. I'm going to sell half of it for a loss. No sense in taking a full loss on two positions if I don't have to. When I got into it, it was right in here. I thought this was maybe going to go sooner, but we're looking for a 1 minute higher low. So far, so good. See if we get through the volume weighted average price on that. So even though I can't see the price action, I'm long over here on ATNF on a pullback down into this area. And now I'm going to look for the break over 460. I'm actually going to put a stop loss down at 428. Somewhere around there, risking $21. RSLS breaking out now. I'm buying it for the breakthrough 13. There we go. I'm going to sell it right there. It might end up getting halted again. You know what? I'm kind of wanting to buy it some more. So there we go. Yep, got halted. And I'm in right at the top. That's not good. Don't like that. If it opens lower, I'll certainly pay the price for that. Over here, ATNF, not looking good. Back out. God, I just can't tell if it's looking good or not. That's the thing. So anyways, I'm out of it. Let's go watch CMMB, see if we break out here now. We want to get over $4.94 and get over $5 through the high of day. That would be ideal. See if we can do it. I think I'll move my stop loss up just a little more. There it's going. $5 in critical level. That was a nice 5-minute green candle there. That's promising. I'm also in a trade over here on ATNF, even though we can't see the price action. I actually got in it, I think, on a pullback here. It's kind of hard to tell. Oh, when did this get halted? 6:42. 6:47 will be resumption. I'm going to go ahead and sell CMMB there. I'm all out now. So I'm making a little bit on it. And I'm going to come over here and watch as ATNF tries to make a move. Let's watch the price ladder here. So, gosh, without that candle visual, oh, there it is. So look up here. I'm going to sell half right there. It broke out, but I don't know when it broke out. Sell the rest there. Come over here. I jumped in this one as it was breaking out. Let's sell half. Boy, the momentum is just insane, isn't it? Get out the rest. I made nothing. I'm back to $60 loss on it. I'm back to being down 60 on it. Okay, so the reason why I got out is I want to watch RSLS here. Resumption should be pretty quick. I think it's going to be at 6:47. This either got halted at 42 or 43. So I'm going to be watching the price ladder, hoping it resumes higher. I'd like to see a $14 resumption. I'm in it twice. Oh man, CMMB just taking off there. I just I just bought CMMB. I'm not going to be able to watch it, but Hopefully it'll do something for me while I'm watching RSLS here. Oh, I got stopped out on it, down 112 on CMMB. Okay, so if it did get halted here at RSLS at 6:43, then this would be the minute of resumption. There it is. Oh, halt or resume. You know, I'm going to get out. See if it bounces. There's the bounce. I'm going to get out the rest there. So you see how that opened lower, and I didn't want to take a chance holding that, so I went ahead and got out. Still up 600 on the stock. So I'm going to try over here again on ATNF. Things are starting to feel a little top heavy. I'm going to get back out, and I'm going to call that a day. I think that's where I'm going to stop. I believe. One more time over here on RSLS, looking for the breakthrough 14. It's not giving it to me right away, so I got back out. Okay, so let's add this P&L up, this profit. I'm going to see what I'm at, where I'm at for the day. So 138 plus 66 plus 594 minus 112. I'm up $686 on my day, which is a pretty fantastic day considering my daily goal is $100. Damn. Pardon my French. So that's not bad for the first day of January. Of 2023. And I still don't know why these say 2023, but all right. Well, I can't wait till we get this kind of price action in the market. Hopefully Monday we'll see something like this. That would be pretty fantastic. Okay, well, thanks for watching. This was a good practice series, and we'll look forward to the next one. See you next time right here at Eva Trades. Adios.